Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. You know our practice here. I will be providing you all the information that you need to know, from photos, prices, product codes, launch dates, and features. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptop to take a screenshot. In for pre-orders and availabilities, kindly check the website and your CAs. So I'm inviting you all to stay tuned and watch until the end of our episode. And happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Soaking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, I'm happy to share the latest collection of LV by Pharrell Fall Winter 2026. So these are the runway bags. I'll be discussing most of them. So first, let us discuss most of the Speedies and the Keepall. So we have the Speedy P9. So I believe the material of this one is soft calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. As you can see, it comes with detachable canvas strap. And later, you're going to see that most of these Speedy P9s are fully reversible. Next guys, we have the Speedy 20 in this very beautiful calfskin leather, and the color is like off-white. Then of course it comes with vachetta leather trim. So I could be wrong guys with the size, please forgive me. So this could either be Speedy 20 or Speedy 25 P9. So it comes of course with detachable strap. It comes with all of the Speedy P9s, as you know, comes with detachable leather pochette. So next we have of course this very beautiful Bordeaux color Speedy P9 size 25 if I'm not mistaken. So here is the close-up view, how beautiful and slouchy and soft the calfskin leather is. I love of course the monogram canvas. I love the treated leather. It's like aubergine colorway. Then it comes in gold tone hardware, and as you can see, it is the slouchy and soft version, which again I feel is such a trend right now. So this one we have a smaller Speedy size 20. So this, if I'm not mistaken, is a snakeskin material. So the colorway of this one is like a chartreuse or avocado colorway. It comes of course with detachable bag tag, and it comes with detachable snakeskin key clochette as well. Next, so we have of course the Keepall size 35. Again, please forgive me if I'm getting the sizes wrong. So I love this one because of course it is part of like maybe the low-key collection of LV, because you're going to see the leather doesn't come with monogram. It just have the Louis Vuitton stamping in front. Of course, it comes with the many charms or chains that it comes with, which is very chic and very stylish. Then this one, super beautiful. Definitely I would say yes to this Speedy P9 in this colorway noir. And then of course the monogram is in the contrasting white colorway. So they have of course their own version of the Labubu. So we are going to see the Louis Vuitton bear charm. So here is a close-up in which it comes in the leather accessories as well. Next guys, so they are doing like this trend, like a bag on bag trend. So we have the Speedy P9, so maybe we have the size 25, and then the nano or maybe the size 20. So I love of course the colorway of this one. It is like in metallic silver, which again is one of my favorite colors overall. Then it comes with the contrasting Louis Vuitton monogram in the untreated cowhide or vachetta leather trims. Then we have another Speedy P9 in the chartreuse or avocado colorway. So this time the monogram is not in the bicolor, so it is more of a darker green colorway, which is a little bit more understated. It comes with the key clochette in the untreated leather or vachetta leather, which is also the material for the bag tag. So this would also come with the detachable strap. Then we have another Speedy P9, this time in the suede calfskin leather. So as you can see, it comes of course with the cowhide leather trims. So classic Speedy P9 design. It would come with leather pochette, and of course you could wear this one as a clutch, just like what he's wearing, and maybe as a shoulder bag. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so next on the collection, so we have another Speedy P9 by collar. So material soft calfskin leather. Of course, it is like a full circle of the collection of Pharrell because he is bringing back the classic collars when he originally came up with the Speedy P9. So this time, as you can see, it's like in the violet or aubergine colorway with the white monogram detailing. Of course, next on the collection, so we have the Speedy P9. So we have two colorways here. At the back we have the chartreuse colorway, and then in front we have the tan colorway. So let us focus on the tan colorway. So also love this one, not by color but a darker monogram detail. It comes of course with the untreated vachetta leather trims for the bag tag, key clochette, and of course the top handle as well. Then more Speedy P9. So this time guys, it is a combination of suede calfskin leather, and this one guys is part of the exotic leather collection of LV because the top handle, the bag tag, the key clochette is made of croc leather. So I love of course this one. So as you can see, it is a little bit understated, doesn't have the Louis Vuitton monogram on the entirety of the bag. Then guys, so we have another Speedy P9. So this is the one that I wanted to highlight. As you can see, the Speedy P9 is fully reversible. Guys, kindly comment down below how do you feel about the reversible Speedy P9s. Honestly, I'm not really sure how I feel about the reversible detail. I love it because of course it is a 2-in-1 bag, but I feel the outer layer, the quilted material, it really does look like it is just a reverse side of the bag, which I feel is not, mind-blowing to be because I feel that, like, for example, you're going to reverse something, definitely the bag should, doesn't look like the reverse side of the original piece. Just like with this one, as you can see, for me, it kind of just looks like the reverse side of the Speedy P9s. I wish they have designed it a little bit better, but then again, guys, please don't hate me. That is just my own opinion. So next, we have more Keepalls. So we have here different sizes. So Keepall 25, then Keepall 35. So I'm guessing that they are going to release like a patent or vernice collection later on the year. So we are going to see it comes in different colorways. So these are the Keepalls. So they're using like a sloucher version. So I'm not really sure how it would wear over time. So next on the collection, so let us discuss the Nil NM. As you know, I'm such a big fan of the Nil NM. So we have different materials. So we have the patent leather version in red and dark green. We have of course the soft calfskin leather over here. What I love about the Nil NM is because it comes with a top handle, and it could also wear it as a messenger bag or as a crossbody bag style. So next guys, let us discuss this very beautiful Alma shoulder bag, not the official name. So the material is like a calfskin leather because it's a little bit slouchy. So here is why I'm calling it the shoulder bag, because you could wear it over the shoulders because it comes with a longer strap. So again, it is slouchier version, so you could wear it as a top handle. And I love of course the size of this one. I'm guessing it is a size PM or MM. So let us discuss the many different colors of the Christopher backpack. So of course it comes in the classic calfskin leather. It also comes in patent. It comes in the color yellow, and of course it comes in the color patent leather. So we have also doing the mini Keepall as a bag charm, then of course in this very beautiful royal blue colorway. Next guys, let us discuss the unique pieces on the runway. So of course we have the telephone bag. So I'm not sure, but I'm guessing the material of this one, the monogram is made of calfskin leather as well. Then of course it comes with untreated leather vachetta trims. So if you are not familiar, so this is the classic telephone design, like in the 80s or 90s with the rotary dial, which I find it super cute and very nostalgic. Then we have the Keepall trunk. So again, not the official name. So the material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. It comes with detachable leather strap, chain strap, lock-in keys, and bag tag as well. So as you can see, the zipper, you could fully zip the bag from the side and of course to the top, so it would be easier for you to put your stuff inside and get them out of the bag. So next, guys, we have the steamer bag. So this one, so we have different sizes and different materials. Of course, main material is calfskin leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the bigger version. So I'm guessing this is a backpack style. Then of course, how cute is this mini version on the side? Just look at this one, teeny tiny. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the very first time that they're doing a micro size of the steamer bag. Next, guys, so let us discuss the radio trunk bag. So this one, I'm feeling you could open this one just like a petite malle. So the material, maybe this is made of metal, like a minaudier. Then of course we're going to see, I love the details, very shiny. Then of course this is a smaller version of a Walkman. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 5,000 subbies. We're almost there. Thank you. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe, and I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!